Wessex Blades, just state of play at the moment of the Leuku. So I now got the handle up to 400 grit. And obviously the fun of cleaning the hole, so sort of how I sanded with the sandpaper grit in the battery drill. That seems to work quite well. And then just to finish off, I just put a tiny little bit of a counter bore, just catch it in the light there. So this one is bog oak and G10 liners. Let's put that away safely. Obviously I have thick cardboard slip guards, so they go into a box with these guards on, just to keep everything safe. And this is Gav's Kukri, Wessex Blades Kukri, so not necessarily traditional kukri. And the one-horned rhino from Nepal as the emblem for Wessex Blades Kukri. Interesting pin orientation. Handsome piece of kit. Got the new emblem on there. Still trying to sort out the laser engraver. Absolute 6-month nightmare. So still waiting to hear back from Banggood. Hopefully a result in the next couple of weeks, just so I can either get another one or save up for a different one again, because I really want to move forward with my my work. Just fed up of that. I had a little step forward of a laser engraver and it stopped working in about 2 weeks. Real shame, but hey, let's try and move forward. Want to get the yay or nay from them. Been a bit of a ticket wrangle, you know, keeping the ticket alive and arguing my case as to, yeah, I want a refund or replacement. And they were making me do horrendous tests as to, for me to isolate what the fault was, and then yay or nay on that. And I was just going, just give me a replacement. So hopefully I'll get a result in the next couple of weeks. But for the meantime, thanks everybody for your patience. Gav's Kukri, Ralph's Leuku, and in the workshop waiting for handles in the next couple of days. I've got a prepper knife for Mark, but leather work for that. Looking to get outdoors at some point. Remember Wessex Blades in the woods? That would be wonderful. So let's got Wessex Blades out. Thanks for joining me. See you on the next one.